Okay, so yesterday we discussed what is flail chest segment, and in that the Doville asked one of the members that what we mean by stove in chest. So it is also known as staved in chest. So basically, stove in chest is a type of flail chest, but it is more severe type of injury. So let me explain you. Stove in chest is also known as staved in chest, and staved means to break into something with force and inward, break into something inward. So what happens in flail chest? Three ribs are fractured, consecutive ribs are fractured, three or more ribs are fractured, two or more or sides, so that that segment moves during inspiration inwards and during expiration outwards. So this is the type. But in staving chest or stoving chest, what happens? The injury is so severe that it hits here, and that segment, that flail segment, goes inside and it remains there. It's stuck there. It will not move outwards. It will remain there. Means severe punch or severe sort of injury is there. So what happened? It damages the internal lung. It causes pneumothorax, and the respiration becomes very difficult. One another variant is anterior stove in chest. So what happened? The force is on the sternum, and the sternum gets punched inside. It breaks and it goes inside and stuck there. So what happens? The internal organ which are there, usually the heart and other structure, gets damaged, and that's why stove in chest, wherever and when occurs, carries a very high mortality. So it's a type of flail chest where the segment gets so much punched inside or stuck inside that it doesn't move with respiration. It remains only stuck inside, both during inspiration and expiration, and respiration becomes very difficult. These cases carries very high mortality. So at times during the transit or at the trauma site, the mortality is very high. Again, the management is same: airway, breathing, circulation. Oftentimes, it requires surgical correction or fixation of the ribs like that. So basically, that was in short. The stove in chest is a severe form of flail chest segment in which the broken segment, broken ribs, get stuck inside and doesn't move outward during respiration, and it damages the internal organs and carries a very high mortality. Thank you for asking, and do read more about it.